Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see exception handling in Java. So basically exception handling is used to handle runtime exceptions or errors without the program building unsuccessfully. This is based this such kind of errors can happen based on the inputs given by the user, and we handle exceptions with uh, keywords such as try or try, catch, finally, throw, and throws. So here in this program we have the functionalities of an ATM in which the exceptions are thrown if the user gives the ATM pin wrongly, or if the user gives the input amount to be withdrawn that is greater than the amount present in the ATM. So these are the two exceptions here, which we are going to see in this ATM. So here in the main function, we have set the total amount of cash in the ATM as 10,000, and here we are getting the details of 5 different users like name, balance, and pin, and we are storing it in an array of objects. And here when C is equal to 0, which is for the the first account, and if the pin entered is correct, then we have no exception. Otherwise we have the invalid ATM pin exception over here. And now we're getting the amount to be withdrawn from the user. Suppose if the amount given by the user is greater than the amount in the ATM, then we have no cash exception here. And that is all for the main function. So here in the ATM class, here we have the attributes such as account name, balance, ATM pin, and account number, and we are assigning them. And here when the pin is valid, and if the pin is not valid, we have the exceptions, invalid pin exception over here. And here basically the deduction of cash from the ATM is done. And now for the account class, here once again we have the attributes like string name, which would be the name of the user, and the respective the balance, ATM pin, and so on. And here we are assigning them. And here we have the calling of the invalid ATM pin exception, as you can see here. Now in the invalid ATM pin exception class, we are sending the message of this invalid ATM pin exception class extends from the main class exception, and so does the no cash exception class, which extends from exception. Now I will run the program and show. So the name, let's say, is Sam. Balance is 1,000, and the pin is 1. His second name is John, and the balance is 1,500, and the pin is 2. Third name is Luke, the balance is 2,000, and the pin is 3. Third name is Mark, the balance is 2,500, and the pin is 4. And the last name, let's say, is Kiko. The balance is 3,000, and the pin is 5. Now let's enter the see for the first account, which is Sam, whose pin we gave as 1. Now the pin is valid, so we can withdraw the cash. Now we had put around 1,000 rupees in Sam's account, so let's withdraw 500 from cash from Sam's account. So here now we have the available cash in Sam's account is 500, and the available cash in the ATM is 9,500. Now let's try for Sam's again. Now let's withdraw 2,000 rupees. Here we have the no cash exception, which is being thrown. And now let's try for Sam's account we gave the pin as 1. Suppose if I give the pin as 6, we have the invalid ATM pin exception. That is all. Thank you.